Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This is part 4 or 5 of this job. This is very typical with VHS-C. I mean, I'm just showing you what I have to go through here. So this has been running for 22 minutes, 26 seconds. All right, you think, oh, the tape is done. The counter's reading, so it's reading a signal. If it's blank, it won't be running. But look, watch this. You uncheck the audio. So there's audio. So you're like, okay, the head's gone dirty. Was there a problem with the camcorder? Was there, I don't know. But you've got to stop the capture, stop the tape, and see, look, it went blank. And everything else was fine up until that point. And you got to check it. This is all the quirkiness with all this old content. It's all, so like right there. So I'm just going to capture that bit right there. Now the heads could have clogged, or it could just be something funky going on. So let me put it in here, which is a crappier VCR, which usually plays the crappier tapes better, to be honest. And see if it's got a thing. Same issue. But you don't know whether it's, oh, it's back. Son of a bitch. And it's also scratchy quality as well. So, and also, you can always usually tell what's going on with these videos and why it's acting up by what the content is. And I can tell immediately what the issue is here and what happened is they went to an indoor water park. And you know when you go inside an indoor water parks, it's really humid, it's just moisture in the air. You know, when you see the windows, you know, it's all like, look. And so there was moisture that got on the video heads. So immediately went from like maybe cold in the changing room. So it's cold and dry, maybe a little damp. And then you go out into those indoor water park or like at a hotel or something like that. And it's like a blast of like kind of muggy humidity and stuff. And then that immediately picks up on the video heads. See, it's not even picking up here. Because right here, it's got a picture. So now it could have been like the particles. Now they've clogged the video heads. Now I've got to pull this out. I've got to clean the video heads on here, or at least check it with another tape. But this here, and I've also got now this file, the good part of it. Now I've got to capture this part over here, and then I got to edit those files together. And that's if everything goes to plan. Now it's not even giving me a picture, so that's probably clogged the videos, the heads on this thing now. So look, there's nothing. So we're going to do rewind it, and it's okay right here. So the video heads are okay. But look, it's still shitty. Like something's happened. But it was giving me a picture. Did it rewind it? Like no signal. So that's not there. I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, what is going on? Okay, I'm going to keep this on this one. So the file's on the same one. I don't have to drop all the files over to the server and edit it. See, this is again why you're... So watch this. Is it going to come back to life? Nope. It's not even doing it. Look, it's a little bit there. Okay, come on. There we go. I've adjusted the tracking a little bit. This is a pain in the ass. All right, so here we go. We've got clear pictures. So these are the things that you need to be doing if you're transferring it yourself at home. You've got to, again, as I bang on, repeat myself till I'm blue in the face, you've got to have all these different players. You've got to be monitoring. If you're hiring somebody to do this, you need to see videos like this, period. I've talked till I'm blue in the face about it. If you'd like me to do it, gotmemories.com. But if you're looking around for cheap pricing, that's not me. It's reasonable, but I don't compete with all this $10, $15, $20 a tape crap, because it is, because you've got to spend, look how much time I've just spent on this one tape. Nobody does that. And this might be like crappy content that no one really cares about, but there's one person, it might be some amazing, heartfelt footage of loved ones that have passed away. Or you never know what it is. It means nothing to 7.9999 billion people, but there's one person that it might mean something to, and the frame that you've missed is the bit that they wanted. So you've got to keep that in mind when you're doing this. Anyway, gotmemories.com. Oh, God, I can't even get the words out. I'm so poof. My hair, everything about me today is just. But look, nice, clear, corner to corner picture and audio. If you're using different capture methods, I've got all the different information on that. Yes, there's trolls out there. Yes, there's Reddit. Yes, there's all the different forums you can go on and ways to do this. But this is all about economics, usability with reasonable file sizes for the average consumer, and time. Time is money. I do offer all the upscaling, all that kind of stuff to a point. But there's just no call for it because it's just so time consuming, especially with all this old problematic stuff. The main thing is clear picture and audio from quality players that are maintained meticulously and somebody on the other end with a head and a heart. So anyway, cheers, bye.